right, so I'm working on the headlight for a MCI bus. So it's pretty easy to get to. There's 3 screws that hold it in. One of them is right here. The other 2 are down at the bottom. So you see 1, 2, 3 screws. And then you take out 2 more and you can get access to the headlight. This is the low beam, that's the high beam. These lights, the old ones work, you know, but they're cheap Chinese headlights. I'm going for these extra vision, you know, brighter down road. Sylvania's made in Germany. All right, let's test these headlights. Turn the main power on. Come in here. Then we need to turn the master on, and then we can flip the headlights on. Marginally better. Not a whole lot, but it's different. This one looks brighter than this one to me. Hopefully that does the trick. So, I really don't know. I don't know if that's better, but it is a thing. They say that these halogen bulbs will, you know, burn out or get dim after a couple years of use, and we have to do this. So hopefully this makes the driver happy and keeps all the passengers safe on the road at night.